Hello friends, I want to sign out one of my Google accounts. There are two accounts, but there is a no feature to sign out one by one. If I click on sign out all accounts will be sign out. So I want to sign out only one account. Do this. I open the new browser. I use the Firefox and sign to the Google account, and then click on all setting button. See all setting. Then go to accounts and import the click on account setting, other account setting. Then you can find security. Then you can see your devices. Okay friends, click on manage all device. Then you can find your device. This is the Opera web browser. I want to sign out this one and click on sign out button. Okay, sign out. Okay. Okay friends, now I refresh my browser. Then I refresh my browser. Then you can see session expired. I can't log into this account again without password. Okay, this is how I sign out one of the account from here. Okay friends, I think this will be important for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below.